It is Saturday again, and the Christmas makeover is pretty much done. I'm going to take you around and show you everything that I did in this room. We talked in the last video about the things I wanted to do in here, and I pretty much got it all done. Now, I did not film the actual process of doing the makeover like I usually do. It's just been such a busy month. I've actually had to come down here just a little bit at a time and work on it, but it's all done now. It is a very cozy room here, and time to watch some awesome Christmas movies. And if you can't tell by what's on the screen behind me, tonight we are going to be watching one of my all-time favorite Christmas movies, Richie Rich's Christmas Wish. This movie is absolutely hilarious. I don't want to give too much away, but Richie Rich makes a wish that he wishes he could take back. What happened to my movie? There it is. Okay. I don't even think you can get this on Blu-ray or 4K. It's only on DVD and VHS. I have watched this movie hundreds of times. Richie Rich's Christmas Wish. And I lucked out this week because I did not have to come up with a snack. We'll come back to that in just a minute, but watch the intro and I'm going to show you around this room. So it has been snowing all day today. I've been outside making videos about tents for my other channel, and I can't really tell you how she made the dough, but my lovely wife has been in here working on making us an awesome pizza for tonight's movie night. So I see she's got the pizza stone out here. It looks like it's rubbed down with avocado oil. The dough itself is, right in here rising. It looks like we're going to use Rao's homemade marinara sauce. And then what do we have in here? Oh, sausage. Jimmy Dean sausage. And then I assume we've got some cheese in here. You can't make pizza without cheese. So yeah, here we go. Tillamook mozzarella farm-style shreds. This is going to be delicious. And it's going to taste even better because I didn't have to make it. Oh, and there it is. Look at that delicious dish. A lovely sausage pizza. Just for me. So here it is, guys. The room is nice and cozy for Christmas movies. The movie keeps trying to just automatically start itself on the TV there. Oh well. So let's go ahead and start with this end of the room this time. You can see it's decorated a little different than I did last year. We've got Jingle All the Way poster right up here. We've got the Grinch on this side this year. We've got Ralphie over here. Ralphie Parker from A Christmas Story with his trusty Red Ryder BB gun and his radio so he can listen to Little Orphan Annie. Over here, we have the VHS player out here. We have Angels with Filthy Souls from Home Alone. We have the Christmas Story videotape right here. We've got the paper snowflakes hanging up all around the room. You're going to notice those as we go around here. Couple more over here by the Grinch poster. And in this area here, you guys probably remember last year when I set this up for the first time, I even have a whole video up of how I made this wreath. That's the exact wreath from the front door of the McAllister house on Home Alone. So we have the Home Alone poster right there. And then as we go up these steps here, you guys probably remember me putting this together last year. The steps that are supposed to look just like the Home Alone steps. We have all the pictures up here, except for this one because it fell out and I lost it. That was supposed to be the Wet Bandits. But we have the South Bend Shovel Slayer here. We have Buzz's girlfriend. We have pictures from the family here. The pizza guy, Fuller with his Pepsi. We got Kevin there, the parents, and then the whole family picture up here. And I did repair the wallpaper. Here's how it looks from the kitchen looking down. That's as close as I could possibly get it to the McAllister's house. And this is as close of the wallpaper as I could get also. This is peel and stick wallpaper. I think I found this on Amazon. And it does not stick good to my walls. Look at this. I actually have ripples in the paper here because I have had to use like spray glue to keep it up. Coming back down into the room here, we can see that we've got the tree over there on the right side. The red star on the top. We got some snowflakes hanging up there. Red ribbon. This is a white tree. And then we've got some gold and green and blue and silver and red ornaments. Underneath the tree, we got some presents, including Turbo Man. Turbo Man is from Jingle All the Way, if you don't remember that one. Richie Rich's Christmas Wish playing on the TV. And then over here, we just have a couple random things. I got a Santa plate here for some cookies or snacks. We got the Talk Boy from Home Alone 2. Couple of candles going, we got a fire going. Christmas movies all along the front on the bottom under the TV. More snowflakes hanging up throughout the room. Over here we have the big Richie Rich's Christmas Wish poster. And on the opposite wall we have the poster from Fred Claus, one of my all-time favorite Christmas movies as well. I think that movie is hilarious. It does not get enough recognition. Couple of props from Jingle All the Way on the back here. We got the Turbo Man cereal, and we've got Johnny's wrapped Turbo Man that came from under his tree. Some Christmas blankets and throw pillows on the couch. And then we've got posters back here. The Santa Claus, the Muppet Christmas Carol, National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, Home Alone 2, the Polar Express. And behind Buddy here, we've got A Christmas Story. And of course we do have the Elf poster and the giant, weird-looking animatronic Buddy the Elf from Home Depot. This guy looks pretty awesome, actually, but if you get closer to his face, the face and especially the eyes are so weird. But I love it. It's a great addition to the Christmas room. You guys let me know what you think of this. Is it cozy enough where you would sit down here with your snacks and a blanket and pajamas and pillows and watch some Christmas movies? So that is it for tonight, guys. I hope you like the room. And next week, I have an awesome plan. We're going to watch Elf, and we are going to make... I'll tell you next week.